vehicle emission is one of the top causes of air pollution in the Philippines. In 2012, 71% of air pollution comes from vehicles. Emission from a single car is generally low, relative to what many people know on how much air pollution it can make. But in several cities in the whole country, a single vehicle from millions of people is the single greatest polluter. Motor vehicle emissions are major contributors to health risks and environmental damage at the local, regional and global levels. The rapid growth in vehicle use expected over the next few decades will impair current efforts to control emissions of conventional pollutants, while substantially increasing highway emissions of greenhouse gases. If the smoke is gray, black, blue or white in color, it means the vehicle is running on too much gasoline and not enough air. If you only experience this when the car is started, it is typically an issue with the settings of the fuel injection system. If you get black smoke all the time, there are additional problems with the fuel injection system that needs to be checked. If the smoke is blue, it means the vehicle is burning oil. This can be caused by bad pistons and rings, damaged cylinder walls, or other internal engine damage. If the smoke is white, it is a sign of a coolant leak or coolant is being forced into the cylinders and burned. The power to move a car comes from burning fuel in an engine. Pollution from cars comes from byproducts of this combustion process. Results from air being overheated. Results from the incomplete combustion fuel. Results from unburnt gasoline.
The Earth's atmosphere is a mixture of gases. Some are known as greenhouse gases. That's because they trap heat from the sun and warm the Earth. That's good, because without greenhouse gases, our planet would freeze, and life as most of us know it would be impossible. These greenhouse gases, mainly water vapor and carbon dioxide, naturally cycle between the land and atmosphere and ocean. And over the ages, these greenhouse gases have reached a delicate balance that results in temperatures that we like a lot. It's been that way for thousands of years, until the last 150 years. That's when people began burning fossil fuels. Those fossil fuels, coal, oil, natural gas, contain carbon that's been locked away from the natural cycle for eons. But when we burn them, that carbon joins with oxygen to make carbon dioxide that goes into the atmosphere. It throws the natural balance out of whack. The more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, the more heat that is trapped, and the warmer it gets. And the warmer it gets, the more the climate changes, and the higher the ocean will rise. The more we learn about carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, the better we can deal with the changes caused by global warming. Because good planets are hard to find.
Operating a bicycling does not harm the environment. There is no polluting exhaust released, no oil or gas consumed.